Today, we're looking at 10 seeds that help your body rebuild collagen from the inside out.
Okay, so after you hit 50, your body can actually lose this much collagen every single year. And what that means for you is weaker joints and skin that's just not as elastic. So, can a few simple seeds help reverse this? Let's find out. Counting down from number 10.
Kicking things off, a humble seed you probably already have in your kitchen, anise.
Anise is all about manganese. It helps make proline, which is a key building block for collagen.
All right, coming in at number 9, we've got the tiny but mighty white sesame seed.
These little guys are packed with zinc. Think of it like the cement that holds your collagen together. Number 8 is mustard seed. It does more than just build, it actually wakes up production.
Basically, it boosts blood flow, getting all those good nutrients right where they need to go.
You probably snack on these already. Number 7 is sunflower seeds, and they have a secret job. They're loaded with vitamin E. It's like a shield that literally protects your collagen from damage. Okay, things are getting serious. Number 6, flaxseed, takes on collagen's biggest enemy. And that enemy? Chronic inflammation. The omega-3s in flax help calm things down so your body can rebuild. At number 5, we have the super hydrator, chia seeds. And you know, hydrated tissue is flexible tissue. And get this, chia seeds can soak up to 12 times their own weight in water. It's wild. This creates a hydrating gel that's just perfect for keeping your collagen fibers nice and flexible. Cracking the top 4 is quinoa. This one gives your body a really rare and essential building block. Quinoa is full of lysine. You can think of it as a molecular clamp that locks your collagen in place. Now we're in the top 3. It's black sesame, and it's way more powerful than the white version. So what's its secret? Copper. It literally cross-links your collagen fibers into a super strong network. Our runner-up at number 2 is the incredible pumpkin seed. This one is a real powerhouse. It's got this 1-2 punch of zinc and magnesium, great for enzymes and fighting inflammation. And now, the number 1 seed for collagen is hemp seed. It's a total game changer. So here's the crazy part. Bone broth gives you old collagen. Hemp seeds let your body build its own. That's because it has the top 3 collagen amino acids, glycine, proline, and arginine in the perfect ratio. Okay, so what do you actually do with all this? Let's make a plan. Here's the ultimate daily collagen mix. And remember, always use raw hemp to protect those oils. You know, it's all about consistency. Just pick a few, add them to your routine, and see what happens.